Do you ever look under your vehicle and see all kind of corrosion and junk? Today I'm gonna show you a quick tip on how to get it off. When these machines come in, you never know what you're gonna find on them. Concrete, blacktop, rust, calcium, and this stuff's hard to get off. This corrosion, I mean, just look at it. I mean, it's all over. You can't even see any of the hardware. Today we are introducing the needle scaler, just a bunch of steel rods into an air tool. These little things just vibrate, and they kind of work as a team, and it just pulls it all off, knocks everything off your machine. We recommend safety glasses. It kicks stuff all over the place, so if you enjoy your vision, safety glasses. There isn't a special way. You don't have to go side to side or up and down. Pull your safety glasses, start working. I got the man back together. We did our final tour. So this spring, I'm cutting the hair. If you're down inside of like a tank or whatever, you're using one of these, I do recommend, a little mask. As you can see, our scaler took off some blacktop and concrete pretty easy. If you need any paint or restoration work done, get a hold of me and Cliff at newmantractor.com. This little tool does wonders. We aren't going to mention any brands until I get a kickback. I do recommend getting out a tape measure. We're at 20 inches, so depending on the brand, that's where you want to put your hands. This is where we recommend, but if this was a different brand, your hands might be touching. We're here, we're out here. I mean, we're all over the place, so make sure you have the proper placement.